Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which external platform is connected to your Rec Room profile. This matters because unlinking paths differ. Once done, export or backup any rooms, clubs, or creations you need to keep, because unlinking can affect ownership. Make sure you can sign in to both your Rec Room account and the linked platform account. You'll need to authenticate on both sides shortly. Now navigate directly to Rec Room settings to begin the unlink sequence, skipping delayed prep. You go into Rec Room's profile, then Settings, and locate Accounts or Connections. This is the control center for linked services. Select the platform you identified earlier and tap Disconnect or Unlink. Rec Room may ask you to re-enter your password or verify via the external platform. Proceed with the confirmation prompt only if you've already backed up data. If two-factor prompts appear, complete them so the unlink finalizes cleanly. This step severs login ties while preserving local account data. You finish by signing out of Rec Room and signing back in to verify the linked account no longer appears under Connections. This confirms the change propagated. Then check the external platform's connected apps list to ensure Rec Room permissions are revoked. If things go wrong, try relinking then unlinking again, or clear app cache and repeat the flow. Sometimes a transient token blocks removal. If persistent errors occur, contact Rec Room support with timestamps and screenshots so they can trace the unlink process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.